Well, I think the importance of an event like this is to really bring the different parts of the industry, the sector, together. So some of the panels that we were listening to this morning, you had the occupational view, the development view, the investment view, and that was really interesting listening to some of the challenges that those interrelationships bring. I guess it brought home to me as well that we need to perhaps, looking forward, bring the public sector more into that conversation as well. That was we had Birmingham City Council represented here, but it would be nice to see perhaps some more from the public sector going forward. To get the public and private sector working better together, we've got quite an issue for our sector at the moment, which is land loss and lack of allocation, lack of the right allocation perhaps, and some of the work that we've been doing, if I can reference it, the sort of Keep London Working, I think has a wider implication and relevance for other urban areas as well. So some of our recommendations in that particular piece of work were to make sure we know what we've got, to make sure we know what we need, and to work together with the public sector, with an industry voice, an industry body, to try and move things forward. Already, I think tech has got a major impact on the market. We're seeing that in the work that we do, particularly automation and robotics so far. Certainly the technology of alternative fuels, power requirements for both of those, and it's coming fast. I was really interested in the piece on the autonomous, or at least semi-autonomous vehicles, and whether that would have implications for location going forward. Personally, I think the existing golden triangle may be made broader as opposed to replaced, but that was an interesting discussion. The one that surprised me a little bit was the 3D printing, which I have to say so far we haven't seen huge impact from that, but certainly one of the sessions this morning was putting that near the top of the list as an evolving technology that would change the sheds world. The loss of land, if you like, to alternative uses, particularly residential, is something that we've been lobbying on quite hard. And one of our lobbying points is to think about the intensification of use so that we maximise the land that is there and is available in balance, if you like. So one of the things we've been talking about is mixed use, certainly the kind of horizontal residential next to industrial and logistics. We think with careful design that can work, and perhaps in the future even thinking about kind of multi-storey and even mixing multi-storey with residential. Perhaps that's one a little bit away, but certainly that kind of thinking.